Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. Have you embroidered on a towel before and the stitches seem to sink into the fabric? Well, I've got a great little technique to show you and also the easy way to remove the water-soluble topper. And supplies needed is an embroidery machine, and I am using the Brother PE770 with the 5x7 hoop, stabilizer, tea towel, a disappearing pin, spray adhesive, and thread. And my towels are cut in half because I'm going to be using those in a tea towel dress. And now we're going to prepare our hoop for the floating technique. Place your stabilizer inside of the hoop. And now place your grid inside of the hoop and then mark. And now we're going to spray with the spray adhesive. Spray away from your machine. I either like to go into a box or at least to the side of my table away from my machine. And now fold your towel with right sides together and place in the center of the hoop. We're going to be adding the water-soluble stabilizer. This is the magic part. This helps the stitches stay on top of the towel. And now with using straight pins, I'm going to secure the stabilizer. Just make sure that your design is not in the way of the pins. And now using my sample, I like to place a sample inside of the hoop to make sure I'm not going to be hitting any pins. But I also noticed that I wanted my design just a little bit lower. So I repositioned pins and then made adjustments from the embroidery machine. And once the design has been embroidered, remove pins and trim. We need to remove the stabilizer that's around the stitching. First technique that I like to use is a pencil eraser, or the second one is a dampened paper towel, and then I blot. And now remove from the hoop and then trim the stabilizer. The tails make wonderful holiday gifts. Mother's Day is just around the corner as well. But I'm also going to be linking the video for the tea towel dress that includes a free pattern. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Happy sewing, and see you next time.